Well, we went to Dairy Queen.
Yes, we did.
For the Blizzard of the month.
Yes, we did.
And it is Snickerdoodle. Snickerdoodle Cookie Dough, y'all. Somebody commented on one of our previous Dairy Queen videos. I can't tell y'all which one it is because right now I don't know.
Yeah, because
they wanted this one to come back, and guess what? It's back. So whoever you was, and if you're watching, let us know that it was you who said it, and that you're gonna go get it before the money's over with.
Yep. So it's a Snickerdoodle Cookie Dough. So it has Snickerdoodle and it has cookie dough. That's it, right?
No, cookie dough. Snickerdoodle is the type of cookie dough. So the cookie dough is Snickerdoodle.
But not chocolate chip like the normal cookie dough.
What are you talking about?
So
it's different cookie dough. Don't you know how it's different cookies, right?
Yeah.
So how do you make cookies? Like what you put in the oven to
flour, you get eggs.
So what is that, a dough, right?
No, it's just a mash.
It's a dough. It's a dough. Oh y'all. If y'all had a good Snickerdoodle cookie before, y'all know what I'm talking about. That smell, that cinnamon smell.
What it look like.
The zoom is on me, the focus on me, so you have to put it on my side.
Yeah, go ahead. Let them know.
That what it look like, y'all?
What it look like?
Oh, I got scared.
Do it.
No, I did already.
Do it real fast.
I can't do it
again.
Do
it one more time. That's real. That's a real Blizzard there. You can't do that, it ain't real.
Okay. I see what that person was talking about.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. You okay?
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's good right here.
It's fine.
Oh, I don't know if we said it. They brought this back. They did this before, but I don't know.
I think it was on a menu before, but now they just bring it, you know, whatever theme of the month they want to bring. I mean, flavor of the month.
It tastes just like Snickerdoodle, but ice cream. It's not really. It's not like dough, though. It's not like a cookie dough.
Yeah, you ain't had a dough piece yet?
Oh, it's a piece.
Yeah, it's dough inside.
Oh, my bad.
It's dough inside of it.
I ain't had one yet.
For those of you who want to, like, straight up know the ingredients, give me a second. I got you. I got you.
Oh, I just had one.
You should have. All right. So, okay. So, the returning fans' favorite Blizzard features Snickerdoodle Cookie Dough. We said that. And cinnamon sugar blend together with a brand signature vanilla soft serve. I told you, cinnamon. I smelled it. And for those...
This is good.
Yeah. But y'all know y'all can spruce up y'all Blizzard.
Spruce.
Y'all can add stuff in it if you want to.
Yeah. Oh, I'm dropping.
I caught it. You know how you feed babies and zombie going on that mouth? You have to catch it with a spoon. I caught it.
So I just caught your spit too.
That one no spit?
What was that?
Love.
Sit down somewhere.
Love
This is
air.
This is for sure. For sure. A 9 out of 10 for sure. Probably a 10.
This is delicious. You don't need to add nothing in it. But you know, some people like extra stuff. This sweet enough. Creamy enough. It's DQ. Flavorful enough. Cinnamony enough.
Yep.
Doughy enough.
Yep.
You know?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's all I had.
Sweet enough.
I said it already.
You didn't say that. Soft enough.
I said creamy.
That's a little different. You supposed to keep that going.
No, I'm straight.
Dope enough.
I said doughy enough.
I know, but dope.
Like 5?
Yeah.
Lit?
Yeah.
The it?
Yeah.
Okay. I like this. It didn't come to the main menu.
You know.
You heard me though?
What?
It didn't come to the main menu.
Yeah, it probably should. I'll buy it.
Yeah,
now, it's just the best one though.
I don't know.
It's the best one I had.
We should get the whole menu in there. And try them out.
Not doing that.
You asked this is the best one?
We not doing that, Keela. Last time you had some ice cream from somewhere, right? It was a little bit more than this. So when we go to DQ, we get the minis. You know, we know our limitations.
Facts.
Yeah, like we can't get anything more than that. Anything more than that will mess us up in the way that y'all know that we talking about.
Do they know?
I think they know. We won't have to explain.
Oh, don't.
So if you talking about doing that whole menu, they probably gonna get one video that month. If I ain't get another video.
Why you trying to joan me like that?
I'm not. Am I telling the truth?
That month? Yeah, you lying. Probably not the next day.
That week then?
Mm-hmm. I wouldn't go a whole month without talking to my people or bringing something to my people. Not a whole month. Would I give y'all some?
2.
Crazy. I go 2 weeks though. I would go 2 weeks.
Hey, don't be dropping stuff in my car. I cream on that, girl. Oh, look. You dropping everything.
Get it.
What is that?
Oh, you lost it. Where?
In this video, so we can go, because you dropping stuff.
Where?
I don't know where it went. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all stop by Dairy Queen to try the new Snickerdoodle Cookie Dough.
Returning Faye's favorite.
The returning face favorite?
Fan's favorite.
Okay. To try the returning fan favorite Snickerdoodle Cookie Dough.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I just brought it back for the Blizzard of the month. For what is it? November?
Yep.
Yeah, for the Blizzard of the month for November. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we drop new banging videos.
See you guys in the next video.
You glowing.
I know the sun been in my face.
No, it's a special day for you.
All right, y'all.